Aloha my kako and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, and I haven't done this in a while because I haven't had a subscription, but come to find out that BOXYCHARM actually shipped to Hawaii. So I have a BOXYCHARM. This is for October. I know it's like the end of November right now, but it turns out it takes a long time for BOXYCHARM boxes to ship to Hawaii, and that's probably why they didn't ship earlier on. And they could have told me that it takes more than a week to come here because I did complain to them, and now I feel like a fool because it actually did arrive. Anyway, so I'm just gonna unbox this in front of you. I don't think I'm gonna be putting on any makeup. I'm just going to see what it has in store for me, and I also haven't seen any unboxing video, so I don't know what's in here. Actually, I've actually like distanced myself from the makeup community just because there's so many racists and pieces of shit in the community that, you know, I don't watch y'all anymore. But here I am making one, so you can watch me. Let's get to unboxing. I don't know why anyone would watch this October BOXYCHARM in November, but here we go. The theme, I guess, is alter ego. Oh, it tells me what's in here. I'm not gonna look, not until I see for myself what's actually in here. So the first one we're going to unbox is this really smashed It Cosmetics mascara. Cool. I recently bought a serum that makes my eyelashes grow, and it's actually really worked. If you want to know which one I'm using, just leave a comment down below and I'll let you know. But I get really excited about mascaras now because it actually does something, because my lashes are finally long enough. So cool. I think this is the first thing that I have owned from It Cosmetics. I know they have some super good stuff, but it's not like a company that stands out for me. I don't really have anything that they have that I want. But I'm excited about this because I just threw away all my old mascaras that were like a year plus years old probably. So it's good. I can add one more to the things I'll have to throw away before they fuck up my face. Next one is Cella, like Beachella. Tantalizing top eyebrow cream. Cool. Is that like a, what the fuck? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I get it. You dip it, and then I see. Cool. I haven't been doing my eyebrows lately, just because. Oh no. But now that I have this, I might do it. Might actually do something to my eyebrows once I figure out how to use this. The next thing here is something from Kat Von D, which is weird because I told them I don't want anything from Kat Von D. Like in the beginning when you apply for a subscription, it asks you to list the brands that they have that you want from them, and I didn't check off Kat Von D because she's a racist piece of shit. So I don't know why I have one. But I'm not gonna waste my money. I already fucking paid for it. And this is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Oh, and this is a brown shade. This is actually really cool because I love this type of color. I like using it at work. Hopefully it's not too dark, but I've heard actually a lot of good things about her liquid lipstick, so I'm excited to try this, even though I don't support her ass. That motherfucking anti-Semite. This bitch. Okay, next is this bigger piece, and it is dirty. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. Oh, this is for my hair, I'm supposing. I've never actually had one of these. I don't care about my hair enough to actually put products on it. When I was bleached blonde, I did actually care about my hair, but now that it's like sort of normal and I dye it like normal colors, and it doesn't even show up anyway because my hair is so dark. It's cool. I'll try this because as I'm getting older, I realize I do need to take care of myself. Why is my voice so deep? And okay, we're almost done. So the next one is actually a bigger product, and it's from Pure. I have had something from them before. This is exciting because it's a face palette, and I haven't bought makeup in so long. I think the last thing I bought was the Fenty lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Unwanted, I think. The brown shade. Ooh, this one has interesting colors. Hurry up, open up! This one is called Midnight Masquerade. Ooh. Perfect for Halloween, probably. But I missed it because they shipped it way too late. I did create my account like in late October, so that's also my fault. So this, ooh, it has a little mirror too. That's so cute. So it has, what are these? Are these bigger shades or are these like cheek shades? I don't know. They're highlighters, yeah. Oh, that's interesting. So these parts are highlighters, obviously, because they're bigger. And then these are the eyeshadows. So they have Twilight, Hidden Secret, which is like a blushy highlight, Enchantment, which is a bronzy highlight, and Reveal, which is a purple highlight. And I've never used that. I've only used Milk Makeup's holographic highlight, but I've never used a purple highlight that is in powder. The eyeshadow shades are Exposed, which is a very silver, a very bright silver glitter. Sneak Peek, which is the only matte here, and it's a like a deep brown. Showtime, which is a sparkly blue, like a darker shade of blue. Mask Off, which is a golden greenish tone, and all of them are sparkly except for Sneak Peek. The next one is Disguise, which is a sparkly purple, and then 12 a.m., which is like a midnight with some copper, and maybe gold sparkles in it. This is actually cool. I might try to do something with this, but not in this video because I just want to make a short, quick, hello, I'm alive. I haven't been doing my makeup channel because, you know, like I said earlier, everyone is a shit in the makeup community. I don't know why. They think makeup like allows them to be bigoted and disrespectful. But anyway, I've been actually trying to focus on a different channel. I created a new channel. It's my React channel. And for like the past couple weeks, I've been trying to upload something, but I'm stuck because of copyright. So I'm trying to figure that shit out. But once I get into that, and once I finally post something that doesn't get taken down immediately by some piece of shit asshole up there who wants to block me from my creativity and my criticism, then I'll let you guys know here on this channel when the React channel is up and coming. Mahalo nui loa as always for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in a later one. Mahalo.